Hi. Thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Doogee has been pretty busy launching gadgets in the past couple of weeks. They recently launched a Doogee T10 tablet, their first tablet ever. If you are interested, you can click there to watch the video of the specification. Yesterday, Doogee teased that they are preparing to launch some new flagship rugged phones very soon. They will be successor to the famous Doogee V20 series that launched earlier this year. As you guys can see in the video, it's gorgeous. They have teased some pretty cool stuff so far, such as eSIM, high-res audio, deer leather built, triple camera setup. Not much has been said in terms of specifications, but according to the information available so far, the high-end handsets in the V30 lineup, namely the V30 Pro and V30 Max Pro, will use the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor. The features of these new chipset include Bluetooth 5.2, 4K at 30 FPS video recording and encoding capabilities, LPDDR5 RAM support, fast UFS 3.1 storage, 120Hz video refresh rate, as well as Wi-Fi 6. That's all we have right now. We will keep you updated as soon as Doogee releases more information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.